Prepare an ASF 110 FR Teflon tape. I bought a 0.08 mm 10 mm 10M tape at about $4.2. As shown, there are many parts where mouse skates were lost. The thickness of my mouse skate is 0.4 mm. I bought this calipers at about $3. Fix the mouse avoiding the parts where skates will be attached. Put the prepared Teflon tape at skate parts or adequate parts. I put it in 5 folds. If it is put in too many folds, sensitivity of the mouse may reduce or malfunction may be caused. The tools to be prepared are very simple as shown. I put the tape at 4 parts. Cut the parts to be removed. Remove all the unnecessary parts. This is the shape of skates after trimming.